Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Happy Friday Eve, everyone. Meteorologist Stevie here. The time now is 5:13, and we're taking a look at your full forecast. Waking up to another very humid, a very uncomfortable start this morning. Our wake-up temps, look at this, well into the 70s, 77 downtown, 70 up towards Parkton in the Hereford zone and Annapolis. You guys still currently stand at 74 degrees with a dew point of 72. So right now, this shows us that there is a lot of moisture suspended in the atmosphere. This is the reason why it's feeling like the air that you can wear today, just like yesterday, not going to be a great hair day. But here's a look at your dog walking forecast. We have very unsettled conditions in store throughout the afternoon when we do have the potential for some strong to severe storms to spark up after lunchtime. So I would walk Marley or even your furry friends earlier on in the day when conditions are coolest and also driest. Our winds will start to pick up as well. They will be a little bit gustier within some of those stronger storms that develop. So be on the lookout for that today, but also keep in mind that it's going to feel so hot and humid. We top out at 93 this afternoon at BWI, feeling close to the triple digits. So the hottest part of the day will be between 10 to right about 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening, when heat index values will stay hovering in the lower to even mid 90s, upper 90s for spots around the city and farther south. Taking a glance at satellite this morning, showcasing mostly dry skies and mostly clear skies across the mid-Atlantic. I am tracking this cold front. This is going to be our next weather maker. As it charges across the state, it's going to produce some strong to severe storms. So we can expect these storms to be a little bit more persistent as they travel closer to I-95, especially up and down the bay, because these storms are going to interact with not only the high heat and humidity, but also the bay breeze, which is going to help them fire up. So some long-lasting strong storms not out of the question today. The severe weather window opens at 1 o'clock this afternoon and closes right around sunset time. So as the sun begins to set, we lose that heating. We drop off into the mid 60s tonight, and then tomorrow is looking a lot more calm. But today we will be under a level 3 out of 5 risks, so not very common here across the mid-Atlantic region, but we do see some enhanced risks from time to time during the warmer months. Damaging wind gusts and even reports of large hail could definitely be a possibility today. I wouldn't rule out a couple rotating thunderstorms. So make sure you have your severe weather plan ready to go, and make sure you can get those weather alerts sent right to your phone so you can stay up to date throughout the day. So taking a look at rainfall amounts within some of the stronger storms, they could produce anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch, maybe even a little bit more than that. It just depends on where those stronger storms set up shop. So I wouldn't rule out some isolated instances of flooding up and down the shoreline, especially around low-lying areas. But as we head into your Friday for the first day of astronomical summer, we are going to be a little bit more seasonal behind that cold front, rising into the mid to upper 80s with less humidity. But the humidity and the heat climb this weekend. The heat wave begins on Saturday. Will be rising near record levels early next week. Christy?